Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. My gosh, am I ever thrilled that I stuck with my guns and decided to keep the red leather look. When the gentleman backed it out of the shop there, he had all the windows rolled down, and I just had a brief second to look at it and I lost my mind. I am so happy. I was on cloud 9. I was screaming like a little baby. Everything is just stunning. All handmade. This is all they made this, man. They made this. Absolutely stunning. So we don't have any perforated leather in here. And even on my 2014, we didn't go with perforated areas anywhere in this area. We just kept it like this, and it was fantastic. We've got the black on the sides here. Man, this looks sick. Not one thread out of place. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the before. 2022 F150 with the charcoal color cloth interior.